Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Pay us what you owe us, the demands of local hoteliers which are still waiting on some tour operators to settle outstanding debt. Andrew Laidley explains.
Tourism is highly dependent on contracts with tour operators. The tour operators are expected to pay hoteliers and restaurants for visitor travel after they have left. But since March, the receivables at hotels have been piling up. In April, the Caribbean Hotel and Tourism Association appealed for a response from tour operators which had failed to reimburse hotels for first quarter stays by travelers. The association says most tour operators honored their obligations. Travel and tourism companies TUI Group has not paid up. President of the Jamaica Hotel and Tourism Association, Omar Robinson, says the hotels cannot wait any longer.
Some of our major tour operators, as in the case of TUI, had applied a force majeure, which is an unforeseeable circumstance that prevents one party from fulfilling a contract. Checks with some of our larger properties have revealed that they are significantly impacted and they have high receivables. These amounts are way overdue and have negatively impacted their cash flows in the past months.
The hoteliers are now arguing that TUI is in breach of existing contractual obligations. In response, TUI has indicated it is willing to advance amendments to payment terms for future contracts, but nothing about the outstanding monies. Mr. Robinson says outstanding payments are causing additional problems for an industry hit hard by the COVID-19 pandemic.
While the exact amounts were not divulged due to the sensitive nature of these arrangements, the total amounts owed are estimated to be several hundreds of thousands of US dollars. Some properties with larger chains are handling the matter through their head offices, while those independent properties continue to have ongoing negotiations with these tour operators with the hope of having this issue resolved in a timely manner.
And it's not only affecting Jamaican hotels. CEO of the Caribbean Hotel and Tourism Association, Frank Comito, says the issue is jeopardizing hotel chains across the region. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
The Bank of Jamaica is warning that only 3 payment service providers have been authorized to offer electronic retail payment services. Electronic retail payment services are those relating to the use of a prepaid card or mobile wallet. The central bank says unauthorized entities seeking to offer these services could negatively impact the safety and integrity of the national payment system, noting that there's no regulatory oversight in place for them. The entities currently authorized to provide the services are Sagicor Bank MyCash, National Commercial Bank Quisk, and Alliance Financial Services ePay. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $141.47, the Canadian dollar $106.41. The pound is going for $178.69, while the euro closed at $161.03. The JSE index lost 505 points today and the junior market index gained 15 points. Among the winners, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Epley, Scotia Group Jamaica, and General Accident and Insurance Company. On the losing side were Iron Rock Insurance, Salada Foods, Proven Investments US dollar shares, Mayberry Investments, and Elite Diagnostic. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.